Today we're gonna discuss how to enter this loans. So loans, we have a bank OD account and bank OCC account. In that also we have a long terms and short terms ODs and bill discounted and hypothecations account in OCC. So first we'll go for a long term loans under loans OD, bank OD. Okay, so we have to mention the date as well here. Long term loan, which bank that you are taking loan, that bank account, bank address, and pin code. You have to enter some random amount that I'm mentioning, how much I'm getting loan from the bank. So once I take the loan, that will also reflect in the opening balance account. So next is bank OCC account, that is bill discounted account. That is all, that is from bank OCC account. Bank account number, state Karnataka I'm entering, and pin code, some amount I just randomly enter. That's all. Next session we will discuss secured loans and unsecured loan, which is very important. So I'm not continuing with the loans in OD and OCC, so we'll have a separate session for this. Thank you.